Today we are going to focus on one of our products, the fitting kits. Joining me here today is Steve from British Motor Heritage, who's going to tell us all about it. Steve.
Hi Dave, yes, thank you for inviting me. Today we're going to talk about fitting kits. We've expanded the range so they now cover various panels for MGB, Triumph TRs, Sprites, Midgets and the Mini.
Thanks Steve. What are the benefits of these kits?
So they come as a complete package to fit each panel. So it saves customer time trying to find all the little individual pieces. So they've got high quality parts made in the UK, come complete with easy to understand instructions that show where the parts fit. As we've gone along, we've found there are some bits that could be improved. So now with the MGB door screws, we use a pointed screw, which means they locate more easily when you're trying to hold the door up and fit it.
That's great, Steve. How do our customers go about purchasing one of these?
So they're available through the range of Heritage Approved Specialists. Also, they can be bought through the TEX Automotive website.